Configuring Nessus scan policies in Tenable can seem overwhelming at first, but it's a crucial step in securing your network. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up and configure Nessus scan policies within Tenable to get the most out of your vulnerability scanning. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to tailor the scan settings to your specific needs, which could make a huge difference in your security posture. Before we dive in, you can start using Tenable for free through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses, so make sure you grab that. Alright, let's start with the basics of configuring Nessus scan policies. First off, once you're logged into Tenable, go to the Policies tab in the Nessus interface. This is where all your scan settings are stored. To configure a new policy, click on New Policy. Next, you'll choose the type of scan you want to configure. The most common ones are Basic Network Scan, Advanced Scan, and Web Application Tests. For simplicity, we'll stick with the Basic Network Scan. After selecting this, you'll move on to the configuration section where you can set the name for your policy and a brief description to easily identify it later. Next thing, let's talk about settings. In this section, you'll configure how the scan will behave during execution. Here, you'll adjust the credentials if needed, which allows Nessus to log into systems and check for vulnerabilities that wouldn't be visible in a basic network scan. You can add different types of credentials like SSH or Windows, depending on what you're scanning. This ensures the scan gives you a deeper and more accurate assessment. Now, the scan targets are crucial. In the target section, you'll define the IPs or ranges you want to scan. This could be specific machines, entire subnets, or a list of hosts. Be sure to input the correct addresses here to ensure your scan is targeting the right devices on your network. The fourth thing to configure is the scan policies. Here you can enable or disable certain checks, depending on what kind of scan you're conducting. You can tweak things like which ports to scan, what types of vulnerabilities to check for, and even exclude certain checks if you want to speed things up. Next, you'll configure notification settings. This allows you to set alerts when a scan completes or if vulnerabilities are found. You can set up email notifications for the results, which is really useful if you're scanning critical systems that require immediate action. The last step is reviewing your policy settings. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. This will save your new scan policy, and you can run it at any time from the dashboard. Remember, configuring your Nessus scan policies in Tenable is all about precision and tailoring to your network's needs. These steps ensure that your scans are thorough and deliver actionable results to enhance your security. Don't forget, you can get started with Tenable for free using the link below and enjoy an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching!